Hello everybody and welcome. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button, and as usual, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and share this video. So in today's video I'll be going over these three things. Firstly, what is encryption, what types of encryption are there, how they work, as well as a few practical examples. So firstly, what is encryption? Encryption is the method in which information is converted into a secret code that hides its true meaning. The science of encrypting and decrypting information is known as cryptography. Cryptography is the practice and study of techniques used for more secure communication. In the computing world, encrypted text is called cipher text, and unencrypted text is known as plain text. The formula of taking plain text and converting it to ciphered text is called a cipher, or an encryption algorithm. Ciphers have been used from the beginning of time. As we can see here is a Caesar cipher. Caesar cipher is one of the most simplest and most widely known ciphers out there. With a Caesar cipher, we take the plain text, and to convert it to ciphered text, it moves the letter over. So as we can see here, we are moving A to B. So everything that is an A here will become a B here. As we increase it, the more difficult it will become. So as we can see, A now equals J. So as we can see, the ciphered text is gibberish. Next, we can look at two different types of encryption used today: asymmetric and symmetric encryption. So with asymmetric encryption, also known as public key encryption, this is a form of encryption where the keys come in pairs. What one key encrypts, the other key must decrypt. This is a public and private key system. A public key is made freely available to anyone who might want to send you a message. The second private key is kept a secret so that only you know it. A message that is encrypted using the public key can only be decrypted using a private key, while also a message encrypted with a private key can only be decrypted with a public key. The security of the public key is not required because it is readily available and passed over the internet. Asymmetric key encryption has a far better power in ensuring the security of information transmitted during communication. WhatsApp uses this. Next, we can look at symmetric encryption. This is a type of encryption where the same key is used for both encrypting and decrypting the information. The entities communicating via symmetric encryption must exchange the key so that it can be used during the encryption and decryption process. So I have a few examples over here. Here is a AES Encryption site. So if we put in text over here and we can choose a key that we want to make it, we can encrypt the data, and then we can see the encrypted text over there, and we can take this same encrypted text and we can decrypt it to see the result. Next, I'm going to bring in a bit of code that I wrote. This is just really to show a more detailed version of how the encryption works. So this is using Xor encryption. So just like AES, it's just a type of symmetric encryption. So here we can see we can enter a text like hello, and then let's enter the password 123, and then we can see how it actually takes each letter and converts it into these types so that we get this answer over here. So if we take this again and we copy that and we put it in here, we can see that the answer will give us hello. There is also a online version of this. So if we take that same encrypted text we got, which was YW_X, and then I don't know how you say that, cap, but yes, that cap, and then we put in the key, we can see the result is hello, and that is what we wanted to encrypt. So please, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, as well as share this with anyone you think will find this helpful. Thank you. Goodbye.